Welcome back. The trees are finished. Now remember, this was an exercise I went through in an earlier video where step by step I followed Boomer's procedures and methods to build these trees. And some of the materials used included 12mm static grass and 7mm, and I topped it all off with this blended turf, which is a green blend. To begin with, I used the ashland stem wire, so that was for the trunks, and then I used this 24 gauge wire and I wrapped that around the trunks and then looped it, which was pretty challenging, but if you watch Boomer's diorama on making these trees, he shows you exactly how to do those loops. It's pretty challenging, but you get the hang of it. So most of these materials you can get your local hobby shop or craft store, and if not, you can get them online. You'll need glue and some other components. All I have to do now is find a spot for it on the layout. And if you want further information, the link is below for the video that I made, or the series of videos I made on how to make these trees. Now, if you enjoyed this, please remember to give me the big thumbs up, share and like, and we'll see you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.